kitchen scales matter for precise ingredient measurements, nutrition tracking, and cost control in home cooking and dieting. The right scale helps you convert recipes accurately, manage macros, and portion meals consistently. For this comparison, I tested 5 models, spanning a price range of $9.89 to $29.99, representing 4 brands: Etexity, Ultrian. Product number 1, Etexity Food Kitchen Scale. This budget-friendly Etexity model offers a compact stainless steel platform with a backlit LCD and 11-pound, 5-kilogram capacity. It supports 5 units, ounces, pounds/ounces, fluid ounces, grams, milliliters, and includes a tare function plus 2 pre-included AAA batteries. The build is straightforward, with a washable 304 stainless steel surface that resists smudges and is easy to wipe down. In practical use, the scale delivers reliable 1-gram increments up to 11 pounds, making it suitable for most home cooking tasks and keto meal prep. The compact footprint helps it disappear in kitchen drawers, and the backlit display improves readability in dim lighting. While it lacks USB rechargeability or IP ratings, its simplicity and affordability make it an appealing entry point for casual users who prioritize basic accuracy and reliability. Product number 2, Etexity Digital Food Kitchen Scale. This higher-end Etexity model doubles as a feature-rich scale with IPX6 waterproofing and a rechargeable USB-C battery. It weighs up to 22 pounds or 10 kilograms with 1-gram increments, 0.05 ounce steps, and offers 5 weight units, including ml for liquids. The scale emphasizes versatility for baking, meal prep, and even baby or pet weighing, with a robust stainless steel surface and a more substantial chassis. The rechargeable design reduces ongoing battery costs, and the IPX6 rating provides resilience against spills, making it better suited for wet kitchen environments or casual liquid measurements. The 5-unit versatility plus tear and hold features make it a strong candidate for users who need precise measurements across solids and liquids and who prefer a modern, charging-enabled device. Product number 3, Ultrian Food Scale with Nutritional Calculator. Ultrian combines traditional weighing with a nutrition tracking app, positioning itself as a smart scale solution. The scale supports up to 33 pounds, 15 kilograms, with 2 to 3 gram minimum increments, depending on mode, and provides 5 unit options: grams, pounds, ounces, milliliters, milk milliliters. It integrates AI-powered nutrient analysis for 20 nutrients via Bluetooth to a companion app, offering daily, weekly, and monthly reporting. The 4-sensor system aims for consistent results across heavier ingredients and bulk supplies. The materials are durable, stain-resistant surface with the stainless steel look, and the tare function enables multi-ingredient weighing. Product number 4, Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale with LCD Display. Amazon Basics keeps the feature set deliberately minimalist: a stainless steel platform, large LCD, and 11-pound maximum capacity with 1-gram precision. It reads in pounds, ounces, grams, fluid ounces, and milliliters, with a tare button to subtract container weight. It ships with 2 AAA batteries and emphasizes straightforward usability and reliability at a budget-friendly price point. In practice, this model hits the core use cases well: accurate baking measurements, portion control, and simple recipe conversions. The standout is value, an everyday scale that performs reliably without bells and whistles. Durability is decent for a budget scale. Product number 5, Nicewell Food Scale. Nicewell positions itself as a mid to upper mid-range option with 22-pound capacity and 1 gram to 0.1 ounce precision, backed by a tempered glass and stainless steel top for durability and fingerprint resistance. It includes 2 AAA batteries and features a large, easy-to-read display with multiple units. The two-sensor design and sturdy surface delivers solid weight readings quickly, and the tare function simplifies multi-ingredient weighing. The tempered glass surface plus stainless steel helps with cleaning and aesthetics, though the glass surface may be more prone to smudges if not wiped regularly. The product's strong user reviews suggest consistent performance and good value for the price.